The forecast for Fargo Moorhead and the surrounding area. Winter storm watch in effect Sunday morning. Ice storm. A message for the following counties in Minnesota, Clay and Norman, and Cass, North Dakota. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect from 9 a.m. Sunday to midnight Central Standard Time Sunday night. Timing: plan on freezing, rain to develop around 9 a.m. Sunday and then diminish around midnight Sunday night. Precipitation rates: the greatest amount of ice accumulation will occur between noon and 6 p.m. Sunday. Ice accumulations: total ice accumulations of 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch are expected. Snow accumulations, along with the ice, snow and sleet accumulations of up to 1 inch are also expected. Impacts: power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel will be dangerous and nearly impossible. The winter storm watch is now in effect from late Sunday night through Monday morning. Timing: a transition to snow will occur after midnight on Monday. Snow: total snow accumulations up to 1 inch are possible. Winds or visibilities: winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour could cause areas of blowing and drifting snow, especially in open areas. In addition, areas of near zero visibility are possible within heavier snow showers. Impacts: plan on difficult driving conditions. Damage to trees and power lines are possible due to the expected strong winds combined with previous ice accumulation. An ice storm warning means significant amounts of ice accumulation will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Snap power lines and falling tree branches are also possible. You're listening to NOAA's National Weather Service radio station WXK42.